Hey there, how y'all doing today? This is Museum Mechanics, and today we're going to venture a little bit into the Southern Gospel. It's a little bit different than the contemporary music I've been showing some other on my other two band videos I did before. For instance, the like Let It Rain and those songs. Once you get that chord progression down, that's it. That's all it does. The Southern Gospel's a little different, and this song is going to be King Jesus by the Oak Ridge Boys, and by the grace of God, I'll be able to put a link on so y'all listen to the song. And I would suggest y'all listen to the song before y'all go any further in this video, so y'all can kind of hear what it's supposed to sound like. But I think there's only there's C, A, and G. So there's only a free chord, and there's only a free chord. There's only 3 chords in the song. So this should be fairly easy. And it starts with this actual second verse, but to me it sounds better when you're doing the verses to start with the second verse. You start with C, which is C, E, and G. Unobscure sun will drive. Then go to A. When you go drive, you do A, C, and E. Yeah. Drive away those. Then go right back to C at shadows. Unobscure the sun will drive away the shadows. Then go at the dawn and at the great eternal day. So you do C at dawn, then A at great, then you go to eternal. You go to G chord, which is G, that's G, B, D. So I got that. At the dawning of that great eternal day. Then go back to and there'll be no more crying in the ghettos, for all grief and pain and death. And okay, sorry, I messed that up. We go for all grief and pain and death will pass away. You do for all grief. You do C at grief. Then you go to G and death. And you go to C. Will pass away. That away. For all grief and pain and death will pass away. And some that I like to do, that I just learned, don't you say, for all grief and pain and death will pass away. Go to, I guess that's a D chord for D. So that's D, F, and A. So you do, that kind of makes it sound kind of cool. Now it's on the chorus. When King Jesus comes to live with us again, He will show His righteous love for every man. Wars and strife will all be past. There'll be peace on earth at last when King Jesus comes to live with us again. So it starts off, when King Jesus comes to live with us again. So you do just like you did for Unobscure Sun, drive away the shadows. So C, A, C. Will show His righteous love for every. When you go to every, go to He will show His righteous love for every man. every man. He'll show, he will again. He will show his righteous love for every man. So now that man, wars and strife, go to strife, go back to sea, will all be past. There'll be, when you go to peace, be a peace on earth at last. When you go Jesus, see, Jesus comes to live, that's back to G, with us again. So that's D and C. And I'm going kind of backwards, but at the second verse, we say, and there'll be no more crying in the ghettos. That's CAC. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sing y'all, show how to do the first verse if I can remember. I remember the words right. Let's see. Soon the armies of the world will someday gather to pass before the great reviewing stand, and they'll beat their swords and weapons in the plowshares, for the Prince of Peace will give the last command. When King Jesus comes to live with us again, he will show his righteous love to every man. Wars and strife will all be past. There'll be peace on earth at last. When King Jesus comes to live with us again. And like I say, this is for beginners, the playing piano, and for those who are more experienced with Southern Gospel, and I'm gonna try to put a leak into natural music. Thanks to the name of the channel, that fella does a whole lot better job playing the Southern Gospel. But these are just the chord progressions for this particular song, which is King Jesus by the Oak Ridge Boys, which, when those was count the song in I think the 70s or 60s or so, that is some of the best music. I really like that. It's some of the best Southern Gospel music that there was. And it's just good music, and I hope this helps those who are just beginning out in music, and like I said, this don't sound like the folks you want to hear it sing, but it's gonna help you to kind of, get started in it, But anyways, thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I'll see y'all later. Bye.